a video by Abron Exports. This is Direct Vision Spectroscope. It has a, this is only for focusing. Here we have the eyepiece. You can see the eyepiece will give you the effect of the slit. You can see the slit. You can see the colors. These are the colors which are visible from the eye. You can see. And then there is one focusing, is this focusing, and this slit is adjustable. This slit is there which you can adjust it. You can see the slit is adjustable, so it should be the smallest so that the spectrum can be seen. When you see any light or out of this, it will be visible spectrum due to the, you can see that this spectrum will be visible. You see this spectrum of any light can be seen. So this is for, it comes in packing, and visit the website. And this is Abron01 is our Gmail, website is abronexports.com, and WhatsApp number is 9416020018. Please visit the website and share the channel. Thank you very much.